Hi there, welcome to Dikshya Vlogs. It is time for us to go Davies Falls. We are currently at Sital Path of Pokhara. We are crossing the road now. As you can see there, it's written Welcome to Patale Chago, which means Welcome to Davies Falls. I am entering the Davies Fall gate now. As I am entering, I can see a lot of souvenir shops. I am enjoying the walk as I am getting to see a lot of nice stuff. The entry fee to Davies Falls is only 13 rupees. As we are entering the gate of Davies Fall, we can see the illustration of Annapurna Himalayan range. Davies Falls were discovered in 1961 when Daniel and his wife named Davi were swimming in the lake, and suddenly she disappeared into the tunnel. Her body was never found. But because of this accident, the falls were discovered and became a popular attraction for many people. I guess we have now reached nearby the waterfall. I am able to hear the sounds of water from here. Let's go close by the waterfall and see its beauty. It indeed is an attraction for tourists and locals. Many Nepalese visit for recreation and enjoyment. As we can see here, a lot of people are taking photographs. And yes, finally we are able to see the Davies Falls. We can hear the natural sound of water. The water of Davies Falls forms a tunnel after reaching the bottom. The tunnel is approximately 500 feet long and runs 100 feet below ground level. After exiting the tunnel, the water passes through a cave called Gupteswar Mahadev Cave. The Fewa Lake Dam is the water source. If you have seen waterfalls before, then you will be disappointed in Davies Falls. The only unusual thing about them is that they descend into a tunnel that leads into Gupteswar Mahadev Cave. Many people reach the waterfalls via the World Peace Stupa trek from lakeside as a part of a day or morning trip. It's a really nice place to visit and have a look around if you have never seen a waterfall. I had a really great time connecting with the nature. I hope you too had a great time watching it. Now we are done watching waterfalls. It's time for us to explore more of this place. There is also a wishing well near the entrance. It is believed the one who is able to place their coin on top of the statue would make a wish which is to be fulfilled. And there is a Nepali woman selling the coins for this purpose. A lot of people were placing their coins and making wishes here. Some people did succeed to place their coin, while some people did not. It was a really nice feeling to watch people around happy. The journey of Davi's Falls ended here. Now we are heading to our next destination. I hope you had fun watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.